Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining how business credit cards work. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about business credit cards, and you're going to also know whether you actually need one for your business. So to start with, how do business credit cards work? Business credit cards work similarly to personal credit cards, but they offer a number of features and benefits that are tailored to the needs of the businesses. For example, business credit cards typically have higher credit limits than personal credit cards, and they may also offer rewards programs that are designed to help businesses save money on expenses such as travel, office supplies, and shipping. To apply for a business credit card, businesses will typically need to provide the lender with information about their business, such as their business name, address, and phone number. They may also need to provide financial information such as the business's revenue and expenses. If the business is approved for a business credit card, they will receive a credit card that they can use to make purchases on behalf of their business. Businesses can then use their business credit cards to purchase inventory, cover operating expenses, and invest in new equipment. Businesses should pay their business credit card bill in full each month to avoid paying interest on their purchases. However, if a business is unable to pay their bill in full, they will be charged interest on the remaining balance. The interest rate on business credit cards typically ranges from 15 to 25%. So what are the benefits of business credit cards? To start with, you can build business credit. Businesses can use business credit cards to build their business credit history. A good business credit history can make it easier for businesses to obtain loans and other types of financing in the future. There's also rewards programs. Many business credit cards offer reward programs that can help businesses save money on expenses. For example, some business credit cards offer cashback rewards on purchases, while others offer rewards that can be redeemed for travel or merchandise. There's also expense tracking. Business credit cards can help businesses track their expenses, and most business credit cards provide businesses with detailed statements that show where and when their card was used, as well as how much money was spent. And finally, there's also fraud protection. Business credit cards typically offer fraud protection, which can help businesses protect themselves from unauthorized charges. So what about the disadvantages of business credit cards? To start with, interest rates. Business credit cards typically have higher interest rate than personal credit cards. There's also annual fees. Some business credit cards charge annual fees. And finally, personal liability. If a business is unable to repay its business credit card debt, the business owner may be personally liable for the debt. So how do you use a business credit card responsibly? To start with, you only use your business credit card for business expenses. Avoid using your business credit card for personal expenses. You want to pay your bill in full each month, and this will avoid paying interest on your purchases. Next up, you want to keep track of all your spending. And from here, you can identify any areas where you can cut back. And lastly, you want to be careful of overspending. It's easy to overspend when you use a credit card, so be careful not to spend more money than you can afford to repay. So in conclusion, business credit cards can be a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. They can help businesses build credit, earn rewards, track expenses, and protect themselves from fraud. However, it is important to use business credit cards responsibly to avoid paying high interest rate and fees. So that's my video explaining how business credit cards work. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now fully understand how business credit cards work, and hopefully you now understand whether you actually need one for your business. So if you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.